Thank you for joining me today. We will be discussing the strategic plan of Amazon. This is Brandy Chacon, and this project is for Grand Canyon University, LDR 620. Thank you. Hi, good evening. Thank you for joining me. My name is Brandy. I am doing this project for Grand Canyon University, LDR 620. This is our strategic planning session, and I just want to go over a few things of the presentation. So I first off want to welcome all of our leadership for being present here. That really means a lot because this is one of our priorities. So we want to really meet our goals. And first off, I just want to make sure that I introduce all of our leaders. So take a moment and stand up and introduce what department you come from, and let us know how many employees you represent. And we want to work together to make sure that we have a contingency plan that will benefit everyone in the organization. So I'll go ahead and give everyone a few minutes just to introduce yourself. So we'll go around the table. Thank you. All right, thank you for the introduction. I really do appreciate that. So now we're going to go over some strategic planning ideas. Now, action plans will help manager to decide the objectives, scope, and how to formulate a structured operational plan. So Amazon has successfully led the industry to where processes meet the people through innovation, operational excellence, and by putting the customers first. So that is one of our priorities, and that's always been where we have wanted to be. So that's a great thing, and I want to congratulate everyone for meeting our priorities and helping us be in a place where we envisioned ourselves being. So I do want to just make sure that we go back to our goal to be Earth's most customer-centric company, where customers can find and discover anything they might want to buy online, and endeavors to offer its customers the lowest possible prices. Now, that's our founders' vision for Amazon. So we've done a pretty good job of meeting that and being very innovative. So we focus on low-cost structures, large merchandise selection, and developing innovative technologies. So that's really important, especially how we've evolved from being a online company to from just selling books in the very beginning to being an online retailer. We are leading the industry right now worldwide. So this is very, very exciting. Now our plan is to focus on increasing human capital through web applications and developing third-party alliance partners. Now, Amazon will be able to develop the information technology for electronic fulfillment and to meet the demands of our growing virtual market. As many of you know, we've already opened up our first Amazon Go store, which is really neat, where you can scan your phone with your Amazon account to make that transaction for any of your purchases. Now, it is a pilot right now, but it is has been very successful. So that's something that we're really excited about, and we hope to move forward with. Now, the organization will demonstrate a positive approach to the company's culture, leadership objectives, enterprise-wide alignment, and teamwork. Those are very, very critical elements to our company. Now, the market-based management plan will be selected due to its 8 guiding principles. So we're going to work on or focus on integrity, stewardship and compliance, principled entrepreneurship, transformation, knowledge, humility, respect, and self-actualization. These principles will help us to become or maintain our dynamic, positive culture. Now, we have an action plan that I do want to work on. I just want to go over really briefly. So our action plan has 3 main elements. The first one would be the innovative online retail leader. So like I was saying earlier, we're doing a great job of being the leader, so we want to maintain that by being cutting edge and having those technologies that allow us to be cost effective. So innovative technologies include things like Amazon Go, Amazon Mobile, and of course our vigorous subscription services. We actually have 9.7 billion subscription services right now, and it's growing. We want to provide a total solution for our retail shopping and develop a third-party alliance. So most of you have heard that we've recently expanded and we selected 2 main headquarters just recently. So this is something that's ongoing and we're really excited about, because this gives us an edge on being able to be innovative and to reach our members who are not in our large cities in the US. So we are going out there and having distribution centers, which is promoting employment and opportunities in different communities. Now, our second element here would be that we want to be customer centric. So we want to provide ease of use and convenience in forecasting continued future e-commerce growth. So that will help and benefit our customers, our employees, and our virtual subscribers. This is very, very important. Now, operational excellence will be our third element that we want to work on. So this will be our reliable quality and consistency, growing those virtual sales and mobile user markets. This goes back to our low-cost structure that we are founded on, our large merchandise selection, which we have come to be. And of course, the last thing I really want to talk to you about, since we do have most of our leadership and our representatives here, I do want to make sure that we are empowering our managers to make decisions. So I want you to be able to make a decision that will reflect our company, our organization, and what we stand for. So by having contingency across the board, across our enterprise, we really want to make sure that we are sharing best practices and of course sharing things that are not working. We want to make sure that we have contingency, because if our managers are promoted to directors or at higher levels of leadership, we definitely want to make sure that the incoming manager knows exactly how to handle processes and procedures, so that way we don't skip a beat. This is critical to our company because we are founded on quality customer service and being effective and efficient. So it comes from us, and we need to demonstrate the right values and do everything we do with integrity. So some of our leaders might allow managers to build scenarios that demonstrate streamlined processes that meet the needs of the consumer. So I want you to be able to have those one-on-ones with your employees and with your teams, and let them know that it's okay to fail and it's okay to discuss challenges and opportunities, but we definitely want to work on that and not have it a repeat behavior. So affected business functions would be we definitely want to remain the retail leader in the industry. We want to look at our low-cost structure, our operations, and of course our department leaders have specific duties to ensure that product management is communicating with fulfillment centers to ensure proper pricing, delivery, billing, and all phases are accomplished. I do want to end with just letting you know that our strategic planning conference will be scheduled, and this will enable us to meet the goals of our innovative, customer-centric, and operational excellence priorities. So I really look forward to 2019, and I know that we will be successful. I want to open it up for any questions. If anyone has any questions or concerns, let's address those now. Anything that is pending, I'll definitely follow up with over email, or we can chat after this town hall. I thank you so much for attending, and everyone have a great rest of your day. Thank you.